kiddos, and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie. And today we are going to do a statue of Tirupati Balaji. It's मेरे को भी बहुत डर लग रहा है करने को, लेकिन let's try it. If it comes good, I'll post it. If it does not come good, I will not post it. So you have to take your foot patti first, and first of all you have to divide your page into half. But this line has to be absolutely light, that only you can see, nobody else should be able to see. Okay, and after doing this, you're going to mark 2 points. 1 point will be here and 1 point will be here. This is the point of the outside part, and this is the point from where the actual murti will start. So to start with the actual murti, what we do is first I'll go with the simpler form. See, इधर ऐसा किया तो इधर भी ऐसा करने का. Only the hand type, hand वाली जगह पे we'll have a little difference. So this is just a doom which we are making. Again, this, then we have to come here, we have to come here, and we have to make this. You keep on following because you understand what it is, I am sure. This is the mukut which we are making, children. So, and after this we have to go here, we have to go here. Okay, the detailed of this mukut we will do later on, but first what we are supposed to do is draw it. Now this will be the turn. After that you have to make a leaf here, a leaf here, and a leaf here. Okay, after doing this, again you have to come down, you have to come down, and again you have to close it. And after you close it, you make this shape. This is the indication. Actually, even if only if you make this, it is very significant that it is a Tirupati Balaji ka statue. In most of the abstracts, only this is given emphasis. Okay, after this, what we are going to do is make one ulta U here, one ulta U here. If you follow the steps, it is absolutely easy. If you do not follow the steps, it will be difficult. Then a circle here. मैं ऐसे बोल रही हूँ, लेकिन मेरे को भी बहुत डर लग रहा है करने में. पता चला मेरे से ही नहीं बनी. I'm very scared. And then a little big circle here, and a little big circle here. Okay, see, can you see the center line? I am following my center line. Okay, after this, what you need to do is just close and make the face which we usually make. Okay, after making the face, the eyes will be somewhere here and the lips will be somewhere here. The detailed part we'll do later on, children. Okay, after that, there is a shell here and a circular thing here. So let's do that. But first, before doing this, let us give it a curve. First, I thought this is a machi, but it is not a machi. It is just a curve which I've seen in many many drawings. Now, this is a shell here, so we'll make it a shell shaped. So this will go like that. Okay, inside, okay, first let me complete the shell like that. And after doing the shell, you have to make 1, 2, 3, 4, कितना जितने आते हैं मतलब. And then you start making a swirl inside. Okay, and the swirl comes here. And after making this, you have to make 1 patta here, 1 patta here, and 1 patta here. So this is the side of the shell. Now this side, it is a ghum chakkar. I don't know what it is, but it is a ghum chakkar. What it signifies and all, I am very poor in all this knowledge, children. If you have the knowledge, please put it in the comment box. I haven't even ever gone to Tirupati Balaji. Never ever. So you just have to make a flower shaped thing here, making flowers. And then you keep on doing the gullas. slowly and steadily. Aditya Roy, this is for you which I am doing. I was very scared in doing this and I thought I'll skip it off, but then you reminded me again कि don't forget mine. फिर मैं वापस से आ गई, पर मैं बहुत डर रही है करने को. Okay, so we'll first make I. It has to be symmetrical. So this side also needs to go here. Now this is the mala, okay? You. I'm drawing it in a very simple form that every child can opt for it, okay? Not that very complicated Tirupati Balaji. Otherwise, बच्चे क्या, मैं ही सबसे पहले डर जाती हूँ. इतने सारी चीज़ें एलिमेंट्स देख के ना पहले खुद को ही डर लगने लग जाता है. अरे बाप रे, ऐसा बना सकते क्या हम? बट इट इज़ ईजी, इट इज़ नॉट डिफिकल्ट चिल्ड्रन. ओके, आफ्टर मेकिंग दीज टू you will make a flower here, a good pretty flower like a gende ka flower. ठीक है. If you after making this flower, what you will do is, okay, first we'll put this line here. When you do the sketching part, you will actually understand what you have done. After making the flower, you have to make this side और ऐसे C इस तरफ करके this side, okay? And after doing this again, you do the, and now this will go from big to small, big to small. Okay, now again I can't help it, this is going to be a big video because there are so many elements to it which cannot be just left away. अभी एक्चुअली इधर है ना दो मूर्तियाँ होती है, पर वो अभी हम लोग मूर्ति नहीं बना सकते. सो वी आर जस्ट मेकिंग टू दियाज. द मूर्ति इज ऑफ सम गॉड्स विच ही हैज केप्ट इन हिज हृदय. So that signifies that. I am dead sure about that. And after that we can give it a good shape. This is the heart which we have made. We can doubly it like that. Okay. Now after that again we will be putting one good mala which will come touching this down here, goal. And then you have to start with the center and keep on going up. This is nothing like a Zentangle art which I am doing it with pencil, children. Nothing like. And then इधर से हम लोग को ऐसे नींबू टाइप्स कुछ ऐसा होता है. And then it is not nimbu but it is all jewelry and फूल पत्ता which has been made. So this much is done. After this is done, now again we will have a varmala, aisa, and then again it will be aisa. Okay, now this varmala is going to be a little colorful. मतलब ये white, red, green, blue ऐसे वाले होते हैं ना, वो गेंदे के फूल जैसे माला नहीं होते जो शादी में भी ऐसे पहनते हैं. It will be like that. Now after we do this, what we are going to do is, from here we will be producing a hand which is coming down till this mala. See, this hand comes down, this hand comes down. So this is the way it is coming down. And then I hope it is clear to you. And the hand goes like that. And it is like that. Okay. Now we will rub whatever is coming in between because the hand is in front. 1, 2. I am very serious today because मेरे को भी डर लग रहा है बाबा ये करने को. मेरे को भी बहुत डर लग रहा है. मेरे को ऐसा पता नहीं मेरे से बनेगा कि नहीं बनेगा. But I am just giving it a try, children. So this is all the ornaments which has been worn. This is one. अभी इससे एक ऐसा है. अच्छा चलो ये बाद में करते हैं, मेरे को भी नहीं तो बहुत डर लगता है. अभी इधर से हम लोग दूसरा हाथ लेंगे. ठीक है. नाउ द दूसरा हाथ का पहले हम लोग है ना ये पार्ट बना लेते हैं. लाइक इट इज़ लाइक दैट, समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो पहले हम लोग फिंगर्स बना देते हैं. सी दिस इज द थंब एंड देन द फिंगर्स कम 1, 2, 3, 4. अब ये थंब मेरा थोड़ा सा पिचकेला हो गया तो लेट्स मेक इट अ लिटिल बिग. And then the hand goes, now this will be the chudi part, and the hand goes up, and the hand goes up from here. No, this has to be a little down. It has to come in this position. See, even I am very scared, but then I take it as a challenge. I said let's do it and see. अगर हुआ अच्छे से तो I'll post it, अगर नहीं हुआ तो I'll not post it. Simple as that. But first, you know what, I'm making this and I'm just posting the what you call the black and white marker part, and then I'll color it later on. ठीक है, because it is a huge drawing children, it is not a small little drawing. ऐसा बच्चा टाइप्स ड्राइंग नहीं है बाबा. अभी इधर से एक ऐसा माला आता है इधर तक, और इधर से मतलब इसके ये एलिमेंट से ही निकलना चाहिए वो माला, और वो माला आता है ये ऐसे. इट हैज़ टू बी सिमेट्रिकल चिल्ड्रन, जस्ट रिमेंबर दैट. ओके, एंड नाउ वी आर अगेन गोइंग टू डबली इट, जॉइनिंग द हैंड्स, मतलब हाथ के एकदम चिपक के होना चाहिए. ये हो गया. अभी इसके अंदर हमको सिर्फ गुल्ले बनाने, बड़े बड़े गुल्ले फिटिंग इनटू इट. ओके, सो दिस इज द बड़ा बड़ा गुल्लास. इट्स नॉट डिफिकल्ट चिल्ड्रन, बट इट इज filled with many elements which you need to understand very clearly. It is not difficult, it is only circles, U's, यही सब है इस ड्राइंग में. So keep on making these elements and your drawing will be done fantastically. वैसे भी मैं कोई भी भगवान जी की ड्राइंग करते हैं मेरे को पहले ही डर लगता है. मैं बोला अगर कुछ गलत हो गया, भगवान ना करे. अभी इधर एक और ऐसा छोटा सा हम लोग ऐसा बना रहे, ठीक है, सेम ऐसे ही गोल गोल वाला. तो फर्स्ट आई एम मेकिंग इट लाइक दैट एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू फिल इट विथ अंडास. उससे मेरे को डर लगता है, समझे ना, अगर कुछ गलत हो गया तो. अभी इसके बाद here we are just going to make a ऐसे पान पत्ता टाइप. okay, and then just put lines and the lines will follow this and this like that. okay, now after this there is one thing which comes out from here and it goes down here. So since it is coming out from an external source, I am doing it with a marker directly so that nor do I get confused nor do I confuse you. So this as it is, it has to be the outside part. So this will come out like that. It takes a turn and it goes here. okay, so this is also one part. After that, first we'll make the feet. First, to make the feet we just have to make a round. First we'll make the feet and then we'll make the other part. What happened here? बाप रे, कुछ होता रहता है, मेरे को पता भी नहीं चलता. okay, now this is the below part which we are doing first. now we can doubly it down जितना आता है. okay, अभी we have to make the feet. so for making the feet, first we make the center line. okay, then we do 1 and 2, then we make 1 angutha here, 1 angutha here. okay, and after that we have to write 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. okay, now the feet is done. now the feet will be a little elongated and there will be pile or few ornaments on the feet. okay, after doing this, what you are supposed to do is take a scale first. okay, now just besides this गुल्ला गुल्ला जो हम लोगों ने किया है ना, उसके एकदम साइड पे we have to draw a straight line which goes till here and we have to come down till here. okay, फिर हम लोग को ऐसे नहीं, इससे भी थोड़ा ऊपर, क्योंकि हमको एक डूम टाइप बनाने का ऐसे. सिमिलरली फ्रॉम दिस साइड यू विल कम डाउन टिल दिस पार्ट. ओहो, गलत ना हो जाना भाई, मेरे को बहुत डर लगता ही. होएगा तो नहीं. I'm very careful about all these things. Okay, so I made a straight line. Now it is like a ghagra, but it is actually not a ghagra. It is all flowers. So what you're supposed to do is make one more with balls on it. I think so this line is a little teda. Please don't make anything teda, huh? Then the symmetry of the painting will go. The painting nahi, drawing will go. Now you just have to make a U pattern like what we followed up. U. Ulta nahi, this is Sida U pattern. What we have learnt when we were in junior and senior KG, correct? U pattern इधर कर दिया और इधर हम लोगों ने ऐसे गुल्ला गुल्ला कर दिया. ठीक है. I think so this is not right what I've done. So I'm just rubbing. It has to just come till here. Okay, after that what again you can do is continue this pattern of a pan patta inside here, with a pan patta inside here, and you can continue with the lines if you wish. I'll continue with the lines for the lower part. Let this part be empty and I'll continue with the lines for this part. This can be anything in golden. Okay, after that from this part you just take a little मतलब it is a वो कौन सा गेंदे का फूल टाइप होता है. पहले हम लोग ऐसे लाइन बना देते हैं. ये ऐसे होता है, फिर ये ऐसे छूटते हुए ये ऐसे नीचे अरे ऐसे सीधा नीचे आता है. ठीक है. वैसे इधर से भी ऐसे जाना है. Actually it will take a little turn like that because it cannot be very rigid, and then it will come down straight like that. Okay, and it has to come down. It is the फूलों का जो वो बनाते हैं ना वो. So अभी हम लोगों को इसको शेप देने का. So I am doing this directly with the marker, नहीं तो यार बहुत टाइम जाएगा. So you have to give this a shape till here. Then it will start from here, and this is the white color mala. If you all have seen the murti, you all will be knowing what am I doing. Okay, I'm just doing it till here. Aisa. White. After that, this side is with ऐसे गोल गोल और इधर ऐसे पत्ता होता है. ठीक है. So you have to continue, and then this varmala will increase in size and it will become like that. This side you are going to do it the way it is, but this side you are supposed to make circles. I am doing it directly with a pen, so that little work of mine is. Now this is symmetrical, so this can be done directly. अब वो पेंसिल वाला आप लोगों को दिख रहा है कि नहीं दिख रहा है. इट इज़ अ बिट ओके. एंड देन एंड व्हेन यू डू दिस इन बिटवीन इधर इधर हम लोगों को थोड़ी थोड़ी डिस्टेंस पे ये कर देना है. फ्रॉम योर इट विल स्टार्ट. दिस इज द ग्रीन पट्टी ऑफ तुलसी. Okay, now similarly this side. This line I have made, when you follow, now this patta will be in front, but when you start following this line, this will be all aisa mota mota circles. I hope I have done justice to the drawing, and now I'll just do the marker. I'm not going to color this because this entire thing, if you want to color, you require your pencil colors or your क्या बोलते हैं, brush pens. I do not have pencil colors, I do not have brush pens, and I have oil pastels. And you know ना, oil pastel का ऐसा जाड़िया होता है, फिर इतने minute work को वो justice नहीं कर सकता. So children who are making this and sending it across on canvas and scissors can do this as a Zentangle art as well as a colorful part. If you want, you can, if you wish, you can make it colorful. If you do not wish, you can just leave it like that. It is nothing but you just have to fill the colors inside it. Nothing great about it. But since I do not have pencil colors, nor do I have, okay, this is done. So this justice has been given here. Now अभी ये ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है. See, okay, first I thought I had made these two lines, but then this is wrong. I'll rub this part also now. Now what you have to make is, just besides this, you're supposed to make a pillar sort of a thing. So that pillar will come directly from down. I'm making it directly, children. Okay. I just wish I don't make any mistakes. That's it. Now it will start from here and it has to, so I'll have to invert my book a bit. Otherwise, गलत हो जाएगा. Yes. From here and it will come till here. These things can be done directly. Because they can be done directly, I'm doing it directly. Okay, I don't have any other intention. So I have to go here. There are all sorts of pillars. So if you follow it very क्या बोलते हैं उसको, minutely, you all will understand. They are pillars. So just a dash here, then you go down and then you have to make a little CD type of a thing, both the places. Okay, so I'm doing it simultaneously. ऐसा, फिर वापस से इसको नीचे डालना है, फिर वापस से इसको ऐसा पहले बंद करना है, फिर ऐसे डैश करके ऐसे सीढ़ी बनानी है. ओके, नाउ इसको हमको नीचे लेके जाना है, फिर इसको हमको ऐसे बंद करना है, फिर ऐसे डैश करके हमको ऐसे सीढ़ी बनानी है. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर डूइंग दिस, आई एम डूइंग द स्ट्रेट लाइन्स विद द स्केल. तो हम लोगों को इधर से ऐसे पहले एक स्ट्रेट लाइन बनानी है, फिर हम लोग थोड़े से कर्व्स बनाएंगे पिलर्स के. इधर से हम लोग एक स्ट्रेट लाइन, बस भैया स्ट्रेट लाइन बन जाना. ये हो गया. अभी इधर से हम लोगों को ऐसे कुछ डिज़ाइन देने का है पिलर को. तो फर्स्ट वील कम डाउन इनसाइड, देन वील मेक अ बाउल इनसाइड, देन दिस, देन आउट, इनसाइड. ओके, नाउ सिमिलर pattern you have to follow here. Inside this, a bowl, close, down, outside. Okay, now नीचे भी हमको वही करने का है, तो you have to follow the same pattern. Okay, so what you have to come is inside, बंद, bowl, dash, tongue, and then ऐसे. Now similarly, inside, बंद, bowl, बंद, बाहर, ऐसे. Correct? After doing this, what you can do is just make one line, straight line, leaving one place here. Okay, अभी ये जो place हमने इधर छोड़ी ना, इधर हम लोग ऐसे एक डैश बना देंगे, ऐसे ही फैशन के लिए. एक्चुअली इन लोगों का होता है, आई डोंट नो द टम्पा टम्पा. अभी हम लोग इधर कर देंगे. ये मेरा ब्लॉटिंग पेपर की तरह काहे को चल रहा है मार्कर, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. ओके, आफ्टर दिस, आउच, आई एम नॉट इन फ्रेम. यस, आई एम इन फ्रेम. Abhi after this what we have to do is we have to take a peculiar point here. Okay, after doing this it is just, I am not doing any नहीं, ये मैं पेंसिल से करती हूँ, अगर रॉन्ग हो गया ना तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगी. You can make any design here. So I am just making a simple design of a bowl type of a thing. I'm not making it very complicated so that everybody can opt for it. Okay, after this you can just make any wangadu design here. It is like fire or some fal fruit kept on it. After that you just have to take a turn and come here. Okay, so you have to take a turn. Let it be very symmetrical. Okay, that's it. And come here. Then you just have to double it. अभी इधर भी कुछ होता है, अगर करना है तो it is up to you. You can make any design. Let us make this. Then I'll have to do it with. ऐसे किया. Okay, let me make a fan sort of a design, a flower sort of a design, sorry, not a fan. Okay, so I've just made a simple design and then you just have to give dashes here. So I am through with the drawing and now I'll just do the sketching part. This is already taken a very long time, so we will not be doing the, क्या बोलते हैं यार उसको, coloring part. This video will be posted as it is, and in the next video I'm going to color the same thing. I'll go and get my pencil colors or my brush pens. I just love to use the brush pen. मैंने आज तक नहीं use किया. I just want to use them. And even my marker is getting over. I need a good new marker. Correct? So I am just doing this, and for today it will be done. It's a big drawing, children, and I cannot take 50-60 minutes of yours. I know you all get कंटालो, मेरे को पता चल जाता है. मेरे को वॉच टाइम आता है ना, मेरा एवरेज वॉच टाइम आता है 10 मिनट. 10 मिनट के बाद सब बच्चे बोलते हैं यार तन्नू आंटी तुम पका रही हो. अभी वैसे भी मेरे को रोटी पकाने जाने गई. So I've just made a design, this sort of a design. All minute parts. If you want you can still follow. I'm doing the same thing again. You all can keep following. I'm not doing any instructions now, just doing it. I've already given a good amount of instructions. Now this part needs to be black. अभी मेरा इतने छोटे से मार्कर से तो नहीं होएगा, तो मैं इसको मोटे मार्कर से कर देती हूँ. अब मेरे को ये नहीं समझता, इसका फेस भी ब्लैक ही होता है ना मेरे ख्याल से. आई एम नॉट वेरी श्योर. Forget it, Baba. Let it be like that only. Now the circles here. Now you all can put elements to it. This definitely cannot be done with oil pastels. Yes, had it been a very big book हो जाता. अभी हम लोग ने इतनी छोटी सी बुक ऑप्ट की है तो वो ऑयल पेस्टल से तो नहीं छो पाएगा. So I'm just doing like a Zentangle art, children. If you all want and if you all have the sketch pens, please do color it. Okay, don't leave it like that. I would love to see the colored one. If you all wish, you all can stop the video. You all can again matlab do it on your own. I am just redoing on what I had done. If you all want to re-see it, you all are most welcome to do that. Tin, 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 tin. एक थर्राजा। एक तो मेरे में यही प्रॉब्लम है, जो मैंने बनाया ना उसके ऊपर वापस से लिखने को है ना, मेरा तो वांगड़ू तेंगड़ू ही जाता रहता है। इट्स सो डिफ़िकल्ट टू रियली अगेन वॉक ऑन द सेम पाथ। एक बार जो हम लोग ने पाथ छोड़ दिया उसको हम मुड़कर भी नहीं देखते, पर इधर तो मेरे को देखने को पड़ रही ले। ओके 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 ला 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 ला। पहले ही मेरे को है ना ये सारे छोटे छोटे ना मेरा खोपड़ा नहीं चढ़ा, ये गोल गोल जो मैं कर रही थी उसको मेरे को सीधा डायरेक्टली मार्कर से ही कर देना चाहिए था। 2 बार मेरी मेहनत हो गई। You all can fast forward it. You all have 3 buttons. You all can just do one thing is press the 3 buttons and do कौन सा वाला 1.5 स्पीड बढ़ा दो मेरी, उसमें भी बहुत मजा आता है। ऐसा कुछ 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 तन्नू टीचर की आवाज़ आई कि मेरी आंखें जल रही हैं इतने कंसंट्रेशन से करने के कारण। See, I am an auntie who does not do such minute work. There are people, you know, who love to do these minute works. And I am a jatto mai. I don't like to do minute works. I like to do मोटा मोटा काम करो, फटाफट ख़त्म करो। आई एम डेफिनेटली श्योर आधा घंटा तो हो ही गया होएगा, उससे ज़्यादा ही हो गया होएगा, क्या पता। अब ये माला है, वो यही ऐसा वाइट फूल की माला थी, मैं गुजड़ी पुंजड़ी करना भूल गई, बट इट्स ओके। दिस इज़ द हैंड। टा-रा-टा-टा-टा-ड़ा, टन-टन-टडन-टडन-टा, टा-रा-टा-टा-टा-टा-ड़ा, टा-रा-टा-टा-टा-टा-टा। ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये नीली सी नीली आँखें, कोई राज है दिल में घेरा। तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया। ला 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 ला। वही राज है दिल में घेरा। Enjoy your work, children. My God, my eyes are burning. मेरा चश्मे का नंबर बढ़ जाएगा, वैसे ही बुढ़ी हो और बुढ़ी हो जाऊंगी। सखी 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 सी। अगर मेरा मूड हुआ तो मैं कल इसी ड्राइंग को काला करूँगी, अगर मेरा मूड नहीं हुआ तो तुम लोग इसको एक जेंटेंगल आर्ट की तरह ट्रीट करना। ओके, एक जेंटेंगल आर्ट की तरह ट्रीट करके इसको जेंटेंगल आर्ट बना देना। और जिसको एकदम उसको मूर्ति टाइप्स बनाने का है वो बना सकता है। दिस इज़ द एक्चुअल स्टैच्यू विथ अ लिटिल simpler carvings. this is the place where he is standing. And then you can double it. मेरी बुक ख़त्म हो गई नीचे तक, but I managed to fit the entire drawing. So this is the drawing. Now what children you all can do is, मैंने तो इसमें बहुत मतलब जैसे, अरे इधर की लाइन तो मैं भूल ही गई बनाना. ये जैसे मेरी lines are not following the lines which I had made initially. So what I'll be doing is I'll be rubbing my pencil marks. Okay, so this is the entire drawing of Tirupati Balaji. And उसके बहुत सारे नाम होते हैं, मेरे को इतना सब नहीं पता. I'm extremely sorry about it, but I really do not know much detail. So I'm just taking my rubber and rubbing the extra lines which I made with pencils. And your drawing is ready. Now coloring करना है तो करो, नहीं करना तो you can leave it black and white also. No issues at all. So done. Aditya Roy, this is for you. Bye-bye.